Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Imagine unlocking the client acquisition secrets of internet marketing legends like Neil Patel, Gary Vaynerchuk, and Seth Godin. These icons have mastered the art of turning prospects into loyal clients. What if you could replicate their success? This is for small agencies, freelancers, and solopreneurs who need a no-nonsense, effective, and simple way to generate clients for their services. Without breaking the bank on expensive ads, without getting buried in the endless quicksand of creating SEO content and waiting endlessly for the traffic to kick in, without trapping yourself in the rat race of chasing clients on social media. But before I offer you this groundbreaking solution, which may feel like a eureka moment, let me show you the reverse-engineered approach to getting clients. When it comes to selling digital services, success boils down to just 3 factors. Factor number 1. Consistency in generating clients. This is fairly obvious. Clients are the lifeblood of your business. If you can't consistently generate clients, your business is dead in the water. The second factor for success is the financial cost of acquiring a single client. The third factor is the time cost of acquiring a single client. This is perhaps the most overlooked factor, yet it is crucial. A highly effective client acquisition system must consistently, predictably, and affordably bring you clients without consuming too much of your time. And that strategy is good old cold email outreach. Introducing RapidWave. RapidWave is a simple, straightforward, yet extremely powerful and lightning-fast email outreach app designed specifically for small agencies and freelancers. It comes with built-in, proven, and tested email templates, backed by cutting-edge deliverability technology and a one-click campaign creator, all rolled into a clean, simple, intuitive interface. Skyrocket your business growth by sending 100,000 emails per month with an average open rate of an astonishing 87%. Save time and effort with automated email sequences, allowing you to focus on closing deals and nurturing client relationships. Manage and monitor all your outreach campaigns from a single platform by setting up unlimited email accounts, helping you stay organized and efficient in turning prospects into clients. Never worry about the spam folder again with RapidWave's inbox rotation and 98% plus deliverability rate, intelligently distributing email volume across multiple domains for a consistently strong sender reputation. Choose from over 1,000 proven cold emailing scripts in the templates library, expertly crafted to engage and convert prospects. These templates have generated over $2 million worth of deals across industries. Stay ahead of the competition with RapidWave's robust yet simple analytics, using valuable insights to fine-tune your outreach strategy and secure even more clients. Achieve better results by A/B testing your targets, identifying the most effective messaging and strategies for different industries and prospect segments with RapidWave. Become an outreach master fast by completing the cold emailing course in a single evening, learning proprietary insights and strategies from our 10,000 hours of experience and millions of dollars generated from outreach. Coming soon! Revolutionize your email deliverability with the Email Warm-Up tool, simulating natural email activity and building trust with email service providers for a seamless outreach experience. And so much more. You can read about the app's features in more detail in the text presentation below. But right now, you have a chance to get RapidWave before its public release at a small one-off price. It means you'll never have to pay a single penny for this tool, even when we go public and start charging a recurring fee. You'll be provided with all the same updates, upgrades, and support as our recurring users. Our standard recurring plans are going to start at $47 a month with extra charges for additional features like the template library and automations. And to top it off, you risk absolutely nothing. You are protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. It means exactly what it says. You have a full 30 days to test out RapidWave, land some clients, and see just how simple and lightning fast it all is. All I'm asking in return for this deal is that you actually use the app to get clients and give me some testimonials. And if you act right now, on top of lifetime access to RapidWave at a small one-off price, you're also going to get a variety of bonuses. So, click the button below to claim one of the first 50 copies right now.